Hi everyone, it's Annette from Real Leads Finder for another Go High Level quick tip. Did you know that targeted edits can now be performed using the AI workflow builder, which is right here? Simply tell it what it is that you want in your drip. Say, for instance, you have a drip campaign or whatever. This is a workflow that I currently have. I'm using it here just to demonstrate the power of AI. So say I had like 12 different emails. It was a long drip campaign, and I wanted to change the user, or rather the from name to my name. So here's my business name. Normally I'd have to go in and, delete it and then have to type in on it, right? For each and every email. Well, now you don't have to do that anymore. Now, all I have to do is ask AI. I want you to change the from account name or email to Annette at Real Leads Finder. Okay, so what it's going to do is, you see how it's highlighting this action in green? That tells you, this is exactly what it's working on for me. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's go ahead, and there it is. See, right here. Annette at Real Leads Finder Pro. I didn't have to go in. Now, it can do it for one email just as easily as it can do it for 20 emails in your drip campaign. So now it saves you a lot of trouble. And here's what else it can do. It can edit your emails. So for instance, say you wanted to improve what the email said. Let's go ahead and ask it to do that. I'm going to copy this just in case. Copy that. Okay, I'm going to say improve email content for free ebook, preserve ebook link. Let's see what it does. Now again, with the advent of AI within GoHighLevel, they've really focused on making this so easy. You don't have to be an expert at prompting or anything like that. Just tell it what you want, basically. Now, as you can see here, it has changed the content of the email. And look, I've got it's a little better than what I had for sure. Which is great, and it did preserve the link right here, which is great. So all I have to do is save the action. Also, if you have a long drip campaign, say you wanted to change the tags on either some or all. So, for instance, say I had 5 different emails going out in a specific drip campaign, I could tell it, hey, look, for emails 1, 3, and 5, change the tags, or for this entire workflow, change the tags, or add a tag, or change the, so you can right from here. It's so much easier now, especially when you're building, follow-up campaigns that include text messages and a series of emails. To go through in each and every one to make a change, it is time consuming, let's be honest. So now with the AI, you can just tell it, just identify, of course, which emails. So, if you have 10, they'll be numbered 1 through 10, and then you can easily identify it from there. Make any changes. Also, pipelines. If you wanted to change a particular pipeline in a particular stage of your drip campaigns, it will do that too. You just simply tell it, hey, I want you to change the pipeline to, from this to this, or I want you to change the pipeline stage from this to this. Listen, guys, I really, really hope that this has helped you a lot, and go at it, get at it, and start using the AI here in GoHighLevel. Hey, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.
If you're new to GoHighLevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.